What's up, guys? Today we are going to be making a paper airplane. First step, fold the paper over to the corner. Crease it. Open it back up. Next part, fold this over to the middle on the line, then fold the other side over to the line. And then the third step, you fold this over, and then you crease it, and then you fold this over, and then you crease it, and then you fold this part over to here. It should be looking like this. And then you fold this over, crease it, flip it over to the other side, and crease it. And then the end.